So I was recently asked a question by a young man I've actually known for a while who now is ready to start his own business. And he's watched us over the years become a bigger and growing company. And he said, Jen, if you could give me some advice, one word actually, of what does it take to run a successful business? And that's actually a harder question to answer with just one word. And I thought of all the typical answers of hard work, long hours, dedication, discipline, all the words. And then it just became so obvious that the actual most important word is faith. And faith is absolutely the core of Shabby Fabrics. The faith to step out. God's lighting the pathway just enough that we take a step forward, and it has been a part of our story and continues to be. That we believe what we do here individually and collectively as a company, that we bring our talents, we bring our heart, we bring our passion to bring you beautiful products to make, to display, and maybe even give as gifts. And you're part of that story. We do this every day for you and for our faith in God. So thank you so much for being a part of that blessing. And on this Easter, we wish you absolutely all the best. And if you feel like someone is mentioning your name, it is. Because when we gather around that table and we count our blessings, please note your name is absolutely on that list. And this is why we do what we do. So I and all of us here at Shabby Fabrics wish you and your family a very happy and blessed Easter.